Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I have 3 drawers right here behind me, and I'm actually going to go through all 3 of these drawers today. I do not have a ton in each drawer, so I think it's manageable for me to go through 3 today. You can go through just 1 if you want to, or you can do several drawers or cabinets in your home. I am going to just take everything out of the drawer, reevaluate, and make sure that I do not have anything to declutter or to locate elsewhere, clean out the drawer, put everything back, and then call it a day. So if you have a drawer that you would like to declutter or tidy through with me, go ahead, get your stuff that you're going to need. For me, I'm going to use the Mrs. Meyer's, the mint scent, and I'm going to use a microfiber cloth, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started.
Every step forward is another add-on. Through every break and fall, we need to stay strong. And as time goes by, we get settled in our ways. No matter how hard we try, the feeling stays. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on the field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. We push on through the rain. I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again. Throw it all at me. The spark hit the golden child. We both know who is right. Through the screaming and the wild, through all the tears and all the pain, the late night deliberations. You know I'd do it all again. Yeah, I do it all again. You get right through my shield, like raindrops on a field. You pour down the dry cracks, and the earth comes alive. Wherever there's love, there's bound to be strains. Oh, we push on through the rain. Well, I know that things must change. I want to live again. I want to live again.
Find rest, find peace, find joy. You're here with me. Blue sky, just breathe. Starry night, Yeah, I know you're free. 'Cause when I gave you breath, yeah, I made you with a smile. And when I made your heart beat, I gave you hope for mine. You got what you need, yeah, I put it right inside you. It's inside of you. But when it all comes crashing down, and all the lies you hear get loud, I'm trying to find your light, caught in the fog, stuck in the midnight. No, your sun is coming out, and you're gonna be okay. Yeah, you're gonna be okay. You're scared.
Okay, so now is the time where I show you guys what I found to relocate or what I found to declutter. The first thing is this little curling iron. I was actually on a vacation. I forgot my curling iron and I picked this one up. It was not expensive and I just do not have, I mean, you noticed my drawer that has my curling irons and my flat irons. I just do not have the room for this one. And it was honestly just something I picked up because I needed it on a trip. So I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one. I did find these little dark circle patches. I am actually going to use these today. So I held these out. So I'm gonna have kind of a little bit of some self-care time today. I did find this little thing of clear elastic bands. I take these a lot on vacation so I can pull my hair up. Sometimes I do bubble braids, that kind of thing. So I did run and I did go into the other room and I got one of these little plastic bags and I am going to put these in there. Hold on. I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. The bag is kind of big, but it is all that I had for today, and I can like make it small to go down in there. So there we go. And then when I go on vacation, I can just grab this little baggie and take these elastic things with me. So I'm going to put this back in my little drawer. So I am going to throw this away. I found that I got this little hair scarf. I've had it for a long time and I always think about decluttering it, but I never feel ready to let it go, but I do today. So I'm going to go ahead and let this go. Again, one of these little things that you can put your hair back with while you wash your hair, while you wash your face. Not your hair, while you wash your face. But I have like a headband that I use, so I feel okay about getting rid of this one. These two little hair clips, I don't even think I've ever used these, so I'm gonna go ahead and let these two go. This little pink silk scrunchie, I have another one, so I'm gonna let this one go. And last but not least, this old hairbrush. I cannot remember the last time I used it. I just do not have room for it. I do not use it anymore, so I'm going to go ahead and let this one go as well. I tend to get overwhelmed when I have a big task looming ahead of me, so I find that if I can break it down into small, manageable tasks, it helps me to achieve my ultimate goal, which is to maintain a neat and tidy home. So I encourage you to do the same thing. Whether you have an hour to devote to tidying around your home, 5 minutes, a whole day, however long you have personally to devote, I want to just say you can just do whatever you have time for. So if you need to tidy up one drawer, tidy up one drawer. If you have time to tidy up three, tidy up three. We're all in different stages of how much stuff we have, different stages in life and that kind of thing. So you might have more in one of your drawers in your bathroom than I do in mine, and that is okay. And you might need more stuff than I do. I know I technically do not need that many curling irons, but I use them and I have them, so we all have extras of things. But anyway, I just want to remind you guys to take time to live, laugh, and love today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day. Love you. Bye-bye.